Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your Ethernet adapter and select properties. Select QoS pocket scheduler and select configure and select yes. Select the advanced tab and in here you just need to scroll down and find speed and duplex. You just need to click on it, speed and duplex. Click on the drop down on the right and select 100 Mbps half duplex and select OK and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, you just need to select the value to 10 Mbps full duplex guys. Now click on OK and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy and paste it. Press enter. After finishing these two commands, you just need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.